Do you know the 7 ways to take your branding game to the next level? I'll tell you. Number 1. Pick a target audience for your brand's products and keep yourself focused. Number 2. Create products and content solely on the basis of what sells. Number 3. Try to create an experience alongside your products or services for the customer. Number 4. Create an identity and image of your brand. Number 5. Inhale knowledge and exhale creativity. Channelize all of it in your brand's perspective. Number 6. Be easy and approachable so that people find comfort through you. Number 7. Display your uniqueness and commit to your brand so that you grow and take shape together. How did you like these tips? Sign up for our courses today to avail the benefits for our formulation bonuses. We give the best marketing and branding tips. Start formulating. What are you waiting for? Sign up for the courses on our website and start learning.